Oh my god. This is not the time to be fucking vlogging.
We could potentially get out of India right now. Oh boy. Come on, you're gonna want to remember this. This is fun.
Hi, I'm calling regarding a Japan Airlines flight leaving at 8:20 to Tokyo and then Dallas. Yes, my friend was just at the counter and he recommended I give a call to reserve 2 more tickets for that if we can get there.
Wow, these seriously are so much. All right, we arrived in Delhi yesterday. We were supposed to get a flight back to Chicago at 2 a.m. today, March 22nd. They canceled all flights, international flights out of Delhi from pretty much 8 p.m. onwards for the next week. So the flights are supposed to be going back into place on the 29th. Hopefully they could always extend it further. So we now have the possibility of getting a flight from here to Tokyo, from Tokyo to Dallas Fort Worth, and then hopefully we can get a flight from Dallas Fort Worth to Chicago. So we're waiting on the airlines to give us a call back, but we're praying. So now we're speed packing, just in case we have to fly to the airport, because it is
In 3 hours.
5:37 and the flight's at 8 o'clock?
8:20.
8:20. So this is the race against time.
7.
One thing to note as well is the entire country of India is on a mandatory curfew.
He did say apparently Japan Airlines has 4 flights operating this week.
Oh.
Not sure how.
Okay,
But actually that could be something to look into.
that's
also.
good to know. Hopefully we don't come back here to this room, although it is amazing. Just checking, make sure everything is good. All good?
I think so.
All right. Like I was saying, there's a mandatory curfew from 7 a.m. this morning to 9 p.m. tonight, obviously. So we're getting out of here somehow. We're able to get a taxi. We're arranging a taxi right now and gonna check out. So hopefully we're not going back there. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're cool with that. I don't even know what 57,000 rupees is.
57,000 rupees?
It's $800.
That's like 850.
That's fine. That's fine.
No way they have flights to Chicago.
So we can get to Chicago from Delhi. If he has 2 flights for that, like we'll book it. Yeah, we'll pay when we get there. So our friend said you have tickets to Chicago, or is it to Dallas? Okay, we need 2 tickets and we'll be there in about 20 minutes.
Or in Indian rupees?
Should I get charged in dollars or Indian rupees?
Rupees.
Rupees, please.
It's okay if there's no meal, that's okay.
Yeah, I don't care.
So the flight to Chicago is canceled. What about the one to Dallas? But there's no room on that flight?
What?
Yes, can you please check if there's 2 open seats? Yes, it's 2 people.
Thank you very much.
Should we come to the airport, or he said that even if there's 2 seats available, they only have 1 meal, and I was like, it's fine, but I guess it's their policy.
Oh my god.
Check in room.
Perfect, thank you very much. Okay, bye. Thank you, sir. Nice ride.
Well, approximation of cost would be good, like not $2,000. I think we're gonna get it.
No way.
She said she's holding the reservation. We just need our passports.
Yeah, so I think we're good to go.
She said try to get in with our ticket from early, because you can't get in without a ticket.
Yeah.
So try to get in with our ticket from earlier
Okay.
today.
the entire country on lockdown. Usually these streets are really busy, right?
Yes, yes.
That's crazy.
But today is for curfew. Prime Minister says it's not for force anybody. Just his request for Prime Minister.
Yeah.
Today is don't come out. That's why the people is everybody is listening. Nobody's come out the road.
Now, have you ever seen Delhi this way?
No,
Never?
never, sir.
That's crazy. Wow.
In my entire life, I'm not seeing
In your whole life.
any. Yeah.
So is there like a fine or anything if you're caught walking around?
No.
No? Alright, so for the people who have been to Delhi before, you can see that the roads are typically crazy, insanely busy, and
This is so nice.
And yeah, what we're experiencing right now is like few people ever see it in their lifetimes, right? Nobody sees Delhi this way, and there's nobody on the roads here.
Only for government people.
Yeah, military over there. Alright, we're at the airport, but we still have no idea if we can get on this flight.
Okay, should we wait by the visitors lounge or should we wait out? Okay, do you need our passports? Yes, we tried, but it didn't work. They told us it was too late because it was canceled. So now we're by the visitors lounge and we tried to explain the situation, but they won't let us in. Is there a way to send anyone here to get our passports? Okay. Okay, yep. We're right outside the visitors.
I like that face.
visitors lounge B. Yeah, we can't get in the visitors lounge. Okay. Thank you
God.
so much.
I like that look.
Okay, so they're sending someone to get our passports.
Okay.
Taking the passports to book it, and then coming back with our tickets and passports.
Oh my god. Please hurry. As you can see, this is an absolute roller coaster of emotion. We have no idea what's going to happen, but we're remaining positive, right?
Yes.
Thank you for doing a lot of the work.
So
You're doing a lot of legwork.
Okay.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay.
Just go inside and come back again.
Okay.
Okay.
Be there.
Well, we're right
Okay,
here.
thank you.
Okay, thank you. All right, some lady from the airline just met us outside. We gave her our passports. Apparently she's gonna come back with tickets or something. I'm not sure, but everything is going really smoothly now. We have blind confidence at this point. We're extremely positive.
Portable. Okay, we'll pay when we get inside. Okay. Yes. Thank you.
No way. No way.
Okay, 71,000 per person.
How much is that?
900. It's same as our other
Oh.
flight. Whatever.
We're going. We're going home. Oh. This has been a stressful few days, to say the least.
So happy.
Beer's on me. Thank you so much for doing this. You really saved us here.
We all need to save now.
Yeah.
Chalo. Please come.
Okay.
So after today, are there no more international flights?
We have permissions, but let's see. Hope for the best.
Yeah,
Because our flight is empty, is going on with passengers.
sure. Are you the only airline that's doing?
Yes, yes, yes.
It seems like it. Wow, we got very lucky then.
कराओगे एक्चुअली इतने आते आते आप तो वहाँ पे एंट्री कराओ।
वो देखो आ गया साइड
तो
में
एक आगे भेजता है एक आगे। आशी मैम। So just your passports once more we need.
Okay.
DRS में भी ऐड नहीं हुआ है।
I'm sweating right now.
It was exciting.
Exhilarating. This is a rush. This kind of cardio. Getting my heart rate up like this.
It's like a workout of the day.
Oh my goodness. As you can see, this is in the international terminal of the Indira Gandhi airport here in Delhi, and there is pretty much nobody here. Last night, when we had our flights canceled, there were queues. There were lines all the way up and down here of people trying to get out of here.
These are your tickets, ma'am. Our check-in counter is on C, so just go straight.
We zipped up our bags too early.
You have to visit China, Korea, and European countries.
No, we have not. Got the boarding passes. Going to head to security.
Back to
Oh, this is insane. Oh my gosh. I won't feel relieved until we're on the plane in our seats. There's not a single soul in security or going through immigration, exiting the country. I think we deserve a beer now. After all that stress, I think we are in the clear. Everything is good. So we are coming back and getting out of this country. Headed to the plane. It is the final countdown.
I cannot believe this is happening. Just two hours ago, maybe? 3
2
hours.
hours, yeah,
3 hours
something like
ago, this thought wasn't even in our head.
Yeah, it's what, 8:20 right now?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock?
And he texted me at like 5:15.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Everything has worked out in our favor. So, namaste. Hello. Thank you. Well, Japan was supposed to be our last stop. We're going through Tokyo.
Okay, so we're right in the middle.
Yeah. This is the only time I'm not going to be mad about getting middle seats.
Can't be mad about
Middle
much.
seat's better than no seat.
Can't be mad about much right now.
No. We made it. Thank you. We're officially back on US soil.
9 months later. Oh wow.
America.